Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 19, probably 19 and 20 because I'm just getting home and it's like been a crazy day. One day I will tell you some of my crazy work stories. My goodness, it's been a stressful one. I got this sweatshirt, has like this called the Flame, and then it's got Sephora on the arm. I got an extra large, so it's like really big, like sleeves. I got home and there was like this huge spider right on my doorstep as I was like trying to get in. It was like on like the little, it's like the piece right before your door, like not the insulating part at the bottom, but like the silvery piece that a lot of doors have. It was sitting right on there. It was big and it was ugly, and I was like, oh my god, how do I get into my house? I know I really shouldn't, but I wound up like squishing him. I couldn't take it. I was terrified. Hey guys, so it's now Thursday the 20th. I seriously, like every day, I still don't know like how all this time has passed, but it's the 20th and we're only a few days away from Christmas. So I am behind on advent calendars by 1 day, so we're gonna do 2 days, and then I need to shower, and I think I want to do my eyes with you. And I thought about doing, I have the red and the green Huda palettes, the minis, and I thought about doing like a red on top with green underneath and then green and red. So maybe I'll do that and kind of show you guys what I'm doing and include that in today, because I haven't really done anything. I've just worked and it just looks like work. I am off tomorrow, but then I'll work every day until Christmas, and then I work like 4 days after Christmas. So yeah, unfortunately I don't really get any days off around Christmas, which that's retail and that is really sucky. So there you go. Should be 7 and 8. So 7's right here, but I'm gonna pull them out. What are these? These are so cute. What is that? I guess that's some type of squirrel. It doesn't look like a chipmunk, or maybe it is. He's got like the little red tufts of fur in his ears. Those are so adorable. And it's got like the little tails on the back. 8 is up here. I think this is the right one. Look at these. They have cats on them, and he's got little Christmas lights. You can see like the little tangles of lights on the back. Look how cute. It's adorable. 2 really good pair. Hey, let's not. If you hear it's manners. Let's do Nick's. You see the little artwork on them, so cute. Whipped Wonderland. Okay. Little design on it, so cute. The color is called Sweet Tooth. So there's Sweet Tooth right there. We got 2 back to back. So here is the next one. This is the shade Whipped Mocha. So Whipped Mocha looks like a matte brown. Ooh, it feels so creamy. Swatches pretty well for a matte. Whipped Mocha. Get a little beauty parcel. We're looking for 19 and 20. So I'll let you kind of see where they are and the sizes of them really quick. Okay, so here's 19 out of the box. Okay, so this is the Filorga Laboratories Time Filler Absolute Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. That's what it looks like. There's 20. You guys take a peek. Oh, a Sigma brush. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. This is more exciting. I only have a couple of Sigma brushes. I feel like I haven't tried enough. I'm sure they have a lot of great brushes. I just have like a little travel set in the canister that I picked up that are really nice to take with you because they're not super large, but they all are really good quality. This is the P82 Precision Round Brush, so that's what it looks like there. I'm not going to take it out right now because it's packaged super well. What they look like. 19. This is the Espa Natural Beauty Intercom Overnight Hydration Therapy. This smells really scented. Like, I don't understand why people make skincare and put fragrance in it. Like, it irritates the skin. It's not something that you need fragrance in. Like, you can wear perfume. I hate skincare that has fragrance in it. Like, it can be like some of the most amazing skincare, but I hate the fragrance aspect. And mostly it just pisses me off because it doesn't make sense. Like, why do you put fragrance in skincare? So here's 20. This is the Stress Check Roll On. Okay, so it's a scent from This Works. I'm gonna roll it on the paper. Stresses me out to smell that. That was a bit of a dud, but I'm really glad about the brush. I'm excited about the NYX shadows, and I'm really excited about my socks too. I'm really excited to get into the last few days of these calendars and see if we get anything special, because sometimes they'll like end with a bang. So yeah, I can't believe we only have 5 days until Christmas. Like, what in the heck? So I think I'm going to go take a shower, do my hair, and then I'll probably like do most of my makeup and then do eyes with you guys and just kind of vlog that so you can see, and do something fun and Christmassy. I want to do like Christmas looks every day up until Christmas, so I think I'll do that. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Alright, so I've got Ruby and Emerald Obsession, so I'm gonna go in and hopefully not spend too much time so that I can still work on this video. This is the Ruby, so that's what I'm looking at. So I'm gonna go straight in with that and really just blend and blow it out. It's going off like pink red. So I've got the Emerald. I'm gonna go ahead into that shade. This is not really blending the way that I want. I put a little bit of this like dark olivey green to, I don't know, kind of switch it up because it was coming off a little blue greenish. Okay, there are my eyes. I know you can't see that one really well. So I'm about to finish up my makeup and then I will show you the finished look. Alright guys, here's my finished makeup. I am about to get these videos on my laptop so that hopefully I can begin to edit, or at least edit at work on my lunch break, and hopefully get this vlog up for you before it's too late tonight. I curled my hair but just decided to put it up because it's nasty and rainy outside. Look at that. Gorgeous. Ugh. So it's really nasty outside, so I'm like, I'm not even dealing with it, and my hair needs a wash anyway soon, so I'm just gonna put it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 19 and 20. I can't believe it's already the 20th, but I'm gonna wrap this up now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, even though it was very short, very simple, and tomorrow I am off, so we will finish up a lot of Christmas around the house, get a lot of presents wrapped, things like that, and hopefully do a little bit more cleanup and declutter in here if I have the time. So yeah, so that's it for now, and I will see you guys in my next video.